Here are the further updates upon the Mindtree recruitment process, the technical interview results, and the analysis of frequently asked questions in the technical round, some FAQs and doubts, and also I am here with the new latest job openings in various startups and companies. So the video is going to be interesting, and the video is divided into three parts. First one is the technical interview results and the analysis of frequently asked questions. The second part is the FAQ parts and doubts, and the third part is the job opening. So you can see the required part in the required time. So if you want just the job openings, you can skip up and go to the end. If you want to relate to the doubt session, you can go slide last but one to relate your doubts and everything. And if you are here for the interview results and analysis of frequent questions, you can be in the first part. So time matters a lot for students, I know it, so I'm telling you to skip directly if you want the job openings, or if you want to go into the doubt sessions, or if you are here with the Mindtree interview results and also the frequent questions who are going for the next to prepare about their interviews in the Mindtree. The updates upon the interview results. Yes, there are updates here. The selection mails are out for whoever have completed their TR round successfully. There is a simple mail, HR mail, with a link so that you could join the HR interview. So selection mails are like this, direct they are giving the HR mail links. So there isn't any shortlisting mails like before. There is a direct HR mail. So are there any rejection mails? Yes, there are rejection mails. You can see in the window. So this is my own rejection mail because my interviewer clearly knew that I had a better offer and am therefore experiences. So if you want to skip such situations, means you had an offer in your hand before, but you are switching to the Mindtree for a better salary, then you can do one thing, that you don't mention that you have a prior offer in your resume, and also you don't introduce yourself saying that you have a prior offer and you are in a software engineer role. So if you say like that, then the interviewer isn't relevant about your offers and you could be all through the interview. So make sure that you don't let to know the interviewer that you have a prior offer and you are here for a better salary. Mostly technical interviewers aren't keen about your offer unless and until you let them to know about that you had an offer. HR is keen about all the things in your life, but TR is only for the technical things. So the things you should know before going into the interview, that's just give a check of your browser that it is updated or not. Switch on your camera permissions in the antivirus. I said my previous experiences, how I wasted my time. So it is in the previous video. I will hook up. You can check the interview questions, what I got with the solutions and all, what I did, the worst things and all. So join a bit 5 minutes early to your interview. The interview window is protected, you can't switch your tabs, so be careful about it. The interview window is enabled with the compiler, so you don't need any screen sharing. Everything is recorded there, so be careful, don't lose your chance in the malpractice. So the whole analysis of the technical questions asked are like this. Though you may be CSIT background or you are any other background, so many requests are there that I am just 1 day or 2 day prior of my interview, I don't know anything, what are the quick grasp I can do. So these are the things with my whole analysis, what I came to know that Mindtree is in some routine loop of questions. So I saw that. So you can use this to crack your interview. First and foremost is about the data structures and algorithms. Arrays and strings are must. All the string related questions are there in my previous video with solutions. Arrays and strings are the basic things. Linked list, you have to be relevant of all the three linked lists, that is single linked list, double linked list, and the circular linked list. So they mainly concentrate about the single linked list, such as things to reverse the linked list, find a loop in the linked list, and sometimes they also ask about doubly linked list or circular linked list a few rare times. So be relevant of that topic. Linear and binary search are the must things. So just have a look, there are many codes available in the internet, and all the sorting algorithms, you must be relevant of all the sorting algorithms, mainly the quick sort, bubble sort, insertion sort, and selection sort. I have also mentioned in the brackets that you should be able to code whatever the element I have given, but in the merge sort case it's a bit complicated, so you must know the approach and basic coding that you can tell him that I can code if I am given time. So be relevant of these things. Stacks and queues are must thing. Just have a overlook of the definition and also the functions like push and pop and in the queues and all. So be relevant of the things. These are the whole interview must questions about DSA. You should look through them and they are repetitive questions in Mindtree interview, so have an overlook before your interview. So the next thing, the OOPS analysis. Everything in the OOPS with definition is important, like classes, objects, and access specifiers. When it comes to access specifiers that are public, private, and protected, be relevant of them. And polymorphism, a must question. I have seen many of them asking repeatedly polymorphism. It's a star mark question. The runtime and the compile time polymorphism. The compile time polymorphism is the function overloading. The runtime is the function overriding. So be relevant of all these things. I have given the OOPS concept checkout link in the previous video. See, check out there. It's from the Java T point content. It's very nice. You get every definition, a simple program about them. So then the abstraction and abstract classes, the encapsulation. Inheritance is also very important hot topic, because they are also asked many a time, same as polymorphism. You should be relevant of all the inheritance which I mentioned, that are single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and multiple inheritance, and its causes of ambiguity, because everyone is interested in ambiguity and how can you remove that. I think it's by the interfaces. Go check out in the Java T point, and there are many contents over there, you can have a look. So you should be able to code these things, means you should be able to say the definition. Many of them are just stopping with the definition, but you should be able to code small little things. But when it is DSA, you should be able to code with the correct approach. So be careful about those things. Have an overlook of everything that DSA and algo thing I have said, and also the OOPS concept. Apart from this OOPS and DSA, have a look over the exception and exception handling, and the time complexity of all the algorithms which you use. So be careful about it. These are the overviews of the technical stuffs which are mandatorily asked in the Mindtree interview, which I have seen. So this can also be said that the cracking code of the interview. So go through this, which are very important. You should be able to code or give a small example related to it. If you are from CSC or IT background, you are sure to ask to write a code, and if you are a non-CS IT background, you are asked for the approaches and a little bit of code and the basic stuffs. So let's move on to the frequently asked questions. So I got my letter of acknowledgement of getting shortlisted, but I didn't get the TR link. There are many people who are waiting for the TR round still now. There are thousands of people, because the thing is that Mindtree is going over regions. Some of them are saying that Bangalore region has completely cleared their interviews and all like this stuff, but I am not relevant about it. But everyone with the shortlisted mail will get a TR link soon. Be patient, within 1 or 2 weeks, because it may be how much fast the company is about the recruitment process, but it takes 1 or 2 months to complete a whole stuff. So be patient. I was in the right time, but my interview wasn't present there. So you can retrieve to your mail in which you got your TR link saying that I was in my interview, but the interviewer wasn't present. You can blame them and write a mail to them retrieving to the same email ID which you have got the TR link. Also, I will hook up the support link down for all the technical stuff related queries. After how many days would I get the HR link or mail of regret after my TR? So in my case, I have TR at Sunday, and I got my mail in the evening, that is at night 8 o'clock. Same as my friend who got the acceptance mail, the HR link, he got it evening. So it's quick as 1 day within the day, or it's sometimes a little bit late as 2 to 3 days, and also some more little bit late as a week. So you must be patient about it. If you have cleared the TR, then you will get a mail of HR link. If you haven't cleared the TR, you would get the mail of regret mail, where you have to stop the candidature from there on. So are TR and HR on the same day? No, the TR and HR on the different days. From non-CSIT background, would I able to crack? I have set the code to crack all the DS algo stuff and the OOPS concepts. Have a look over it. These are the things repeatedly asked in the Mindtree process I have seen. So any prep info for the HR interview? क्या ही कर सकते हैं भाई HR interview में, तो क्या मतलब आपने टेक्निकल क्रैक कर लिया, बस वो ही बहुत है. HR में क्या करेंगे? Just they will have the overlook about your behaviors, and you should have a good attitude to crack it. Just there are some relevant questions you find in the internet. If you want me to do a video upon it, so just have a comment in the comment section. And should I have at least the semester up to 7th sem result to crack my HR round? This is some awkward question, but I came to know things about it, that you shouldn't have all the means, you shouldn't have a result till the 7th sem, because many of the colleges haven't completed their 7th sem yet. They have the results till 6th semester. I have seen people till having the results 6th semester and cracking the interview. So there, it is an irrelevant question, because sometimes some HR may be keen that everything should be in a straight line, that the candidate should have everything in a straight line from 1st to 7th sem. There might be some sick-headed who might be thinking of a straight line. There aren't many people out there like that, so you shouldn't have all the latest result to crack your HR interview. It's irrelevant. He's keen about the results till when you are. It's all about the joining time. He checks everything you have or not. Though you have, and one more thing, if you have a backlog, you can cover up saying that you didn't get the result because you were in because the situations like this in the pandemic, you haven't completed your exams and you miss a semester result. You can also cover up things like this and clear your backlogs before getting into the company. So you can cover up smartly by saying that. So it isn't mandatory that you should have your latest result up to 7th sem result to crack the HR round. It is irrelevant. There might be 1 out of 1,000 HR people who think like that. Then it's our bad day, nothing we can do about it. Already have an offer, but I am attempting this for a better package. I have said the trick how to hide up the things and how to manage it. Just don't say in your intro and don't mention in the resume that you have an offer and you are here for a better package. Technical interviewer isn't keen about that thing unless and until you reveal it. So technical issues where to look over. I have said you can retrieve to the TR link in which you got. You can retrieve a mail about your difficulties in that, or else I will hook up the support mail down. Now moving to the latest content of the job openings and all stuff. The latest job openings in the startup companies, it's from the T-Hub. It's a startup incubator where you can grow your startups and work with the government agencies and all. It's a government authorized agency, so many of the companies are opening up for the jobs in the internship as well as full time. It's in Hyderabad, but the offers are open for all the states because nowadays everything is from work from home. So give out a check of all the companies. There are about 6 to 7 companies having their job offerings in internship as well as the full time. All the documents and all the registration of the company and all their work style reports I would give in the description. It would be in a PDF or a Word format. You can check up there what about the companies and all. You can also Google up, and so you can also share up to your friends. More the people join, you will let to know more about the companies and the interview processes. Mention that you can only apply for a single startup or a single internship or a single full-time role. I would give the link in the description. It's a Google form. You can check out everything. It's open for all the states, not relevant for Hyderabad, but the T-Hub is a government recognized incubator to grow your startups. Next is from the Gurgaon region. It's a Square Boot company. You have a direct link, so you can quickly apply with your resumes. And also there are different job openings, not only for the engineering background. There are for many other backgrounds, the management roles, job openings and other all. It's from Gurgaon region. And the next one, I would hook up the link in the description. The next one is the Deloitte opening for Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. I will also hook up the link. Deloitte is basically about the data analytics type. So whoever have some prior knowledge about Excel's data administrations and all are sure to get this job. And it is also open for the freshers. It's nothing like that you should have a course specification to crack this job. I would also hook up the link in the description. And next is from the Bangalore region. It's a direct mail given by the recruitment team. You can send your best resume to the recruitment team. All the eligibilities and the percentage criteria, skills required in the selection process I have mentioned in this picture. Just pause and see and apply the mail. I apply to this mail ID here, so you can mail to that. So I will also find is there any shareable link for this, or else you can forward the resume to the thing which is present in the picture. So that is freshers@saskeen.com. You can go through the internet and all. So another opportunities for the women entrepreneurs who have started up their startups and are in need of funds. And the startups, there is a competition with a huge cash prize. So I will hook up the link in the description. Give a check out of it. And moving to the next, if you have any queries and doubts regarding this whole process. And all the best for the upcoming interviews. And the thing is that share the job openings to all of your friends. Share this video whoever are in require of jobs in various things. There are startups wherein which you get the jobs easily, and the thing is that the startup grows, you grow, the salary also grows with you. So startups are the great opportunity to grow as an individual for your career, because startups can become anything, because they here they can boom up to a big company, or also they can fall apart. If they fall apart, you can switch to another job. If they boom up, you can stay in that and you get a high position paid salary in that. So startups are very unknown but very interesting thing. So if you want, let me know. If you want to join a startup or an MNC, I can make a video thing about it, means each and every stuff regarding it. So video is a bit long, so you can divide the things in which you want to see that. But share the things to your friends, because if you share, they will more the people get into the things, you will know more about the interview process and the stuffs regarding it. I would surely apply for the startup, not for the rest of the things. And if any regarding the startup updates, I would give you. Thanks and all the best for your upcoming interviews. Do share with your friends so that everyone gets an opportunity to dig through these chances. And I have covered all the region job openings like Hyderabad, Bangalore, Gurgaon. So do give it a check, and also open competition for women entrepreneurs.